Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub organization. This is a powerful way to manage repositories and collaborate with team members under a unified account, whether for a business project or a personal initiative. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and settings. Next, click on your profile picture located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, click on Organizations. This section allows you to view any organizations you're already a part of and gives you the option to create new ones. In the upper right panel of the Organizations page, you'll see a button that says New Organization. Click on it to begin the setup process. This is where you'll configure the details and settings for your new organization. Now you'll be prompted to pick a plan for your organization. GitHub offers different tiers depending on your needs, but for most users starting out, the free plan works perfectly fine. Go ahead and click Create a Free Organization to proceed. The next step is to enter an organization name in the field provided. Choose a name that clearly represents your team or project, as this will be visible to anyone who interacts with your organization on GitHub. Make sure it's unique and easy to remember. After that, type your contact email in the designated field. This email will be used for important notifications and updates related to your organization, so use an address you check regularly. Now, navigate to the section labeled Organization Belongs To. Here, you'll need to select your preferred option. You can choose whether the organization is tied to your personal account or represents a business or institution. Select the option that best fits your situation. Next, navigate to the Verify Your Account section and click Verify. This step is important to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot. You'll be presented with two images, and your task is to use the arrows to rotate the asset so it faces in the same direction in both images. Once you've aligned them correctly, click Submit. Finally, you'll need to accept GitHub's Terms of Service. Check the box beside I hereby accept the terms of service, then click Next. And that's it. You've successfully created your GitHub organization and can now start adding members and repositories. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.